again, big Book Award buddies. It's another week of Book Award bites, and I believe lots of you have really been powering through the 6 books. Condover, I've heard lots of you have read at least 3 of them, and that is brilliant, because remember guys, you have to read at least 2 of the books to be able to vote on which one of those will be your favourite. It's great if you can read more of those, and I know that St Edward's at Dorrington, quite a few of you have finished and read all 6 books, which is amazing by this stage. I'm sure that's the story in lots of schools, so well done on your reading. If you need some other books to have a read, some of the books that were the nearly made it to the shortlist are on a list on the website, so you can have a look there for some other really good books and recommendations from schools. I've also heard from Crowmore, and you have been reading through your shoes, wearing everything out, so you've been doing really, really well. So thank you, Crowmore. Well done, keep up your hard work. It's great to hear from you. And Cheswardine have sent in some creative writing that they've done based on Harklights, where the tree turns into an animal. I wonder if anybody's read that part of the story. And you can see from their pictures that they've had a think about nature changing into an animal, and they've had a go at doing some writing, which is amazing. They've also had a debate on whether they think birds should be kept in cages or not. I wonder which side of the conversation and the debate won there. So thank you for all of your news, and thank you for all of your comments on the website. We have a chat about them every time we have a meeting, and we read them, and I know that all the other schools enjoy reading each other's comments. So do keep those coming in on the forum. You can find it on our homepage under each book. As well as writing in your class, you could also have a go at writing for the letter writing competition. And here are some previous winners. You can see them holding their letters that have been signed by the authors, and the authors have written comments all about their letters. They even read them out on stage at the award ceremony. So perhaps if you're about to go on half-term holiday, you could have a go at doing your letter during the half-term. You may have just come back from half-term, hope you had a good time, and your teachers might give you some time in class to be able to have a go. But it's a really great way of writing to a character from one of the books. All the information about the competitions is in the teacher guide. Don't forget, it tells you what to do, how to do it, where to send your entries and when, and the closing date for everything is the 25th of March. The other thing that's happening this week is the final 2 Pentabus films will be on the website. And you could condense a book into a 3-minute narrative. A whole book into 3 minutes telling what's in it. That sounds like a challenge to me. And the other film that you could have a go at, the drama activity, is creating a film trailer. Dun, dun, dun. Try and make people want to pick up and read that book. And we've got some help this week from the lovely...
My name's Izzy. I am a theatre and film director and a musician. Today we're going to be talking about how to make a film trailer out of one of our books for Bookfest.
The lovely Izzy, who has the most amazing hair in the world that matches her set. I'm going to have to do that next time, I think. So don't forget, those workshops are really fun and interactive, and you can pause and you can play and you can have a chat with your friends. Izzy gives you lots of thinking time and partner or group talking time. And remember, I wonder if anybody's had a go at making some notebooks this week. You can put all your evidence in your notebook, all your notes, all your ideas, your chat about the books, your plans for your drama can all go into your little notebook, and then you've got all the evidence of all the chat about the books and all your planned activities. Izzy's going to help us with the film trailer. And here she is.
Film trailers use a lot of describing words, adjectives, in order to get you to come and see the film. I want you to think about what some of these describing words might be to describe the book that you've chosen from the Bookfest. So, it might be mysterious, exciting, action-packed, scary, funny. Take a moment to have a conversation with your partner and list what describing words you might use for your film trailer.
So there you go, loads of ideas, lots of talk time and lots of planning to come up with those brilliant drama activities, and you can enter them into the creative response competition by the 25th of March. And again, the winners, we show them at the award ceremony, so I can't wait to see what you create and send in. The other thing that you could be doing if you're about to go off on half term, or maybe this weekend, is some extreme reading photographs. Here's some children from Longdon and Longner and Martin Wilson, and there's some children from Pressfeld and Packwood as well. I have to say, warning, warning, Bookfest will not accept any responsibility for children falling out of hedges or falling off trampolines whilst reading books. Please be careful, but have fun. We love to see your extreme reading photos, so you can send some of those in too. We really do love to hear what's been going on in school, so keep in touch and let us know, and we'll keep reading your comments, and we can't wait to find out who wins. You haven't got long left, so if you're going on half term, don't forget to take a book home with you and try and whiz through it in the week. Can't wait to find out who the winner is. Have a lovely break, or hope you had a great holiday. See you soon, guys. Bye.